Let's now tackle the collar of our 1904 Royal Vintage-inspired coat. The collar can be cut twice on the fold. In order for the fabric laying better, we often cut the undercollar on the bias. This results in a seam at the center back. Reinforce the upper collar with interfacing. If the fabric is soft or slightly stretchy, I also reinforce the undercollar with a thinner interfacing. Sew the collar right sides together and trim back the seam allowance on the undercollar and at the curves. Turn the collar, shape the edges, and press. We recommend ironing the seam allowance on the lower collar. Now, in order to keep the collar curved, fold the collar at the later fold line and pin a sewing needle in the curve. Then, while securing this roundness with pins, close the lower collar that's still open with a seam. This way your collar will sit much nicer and won't pull when sewn on. Thank you for your interest, and we'll hopefully see each other in the next video when we will assemble the lining with the coat.